Sierra Chart versus MotiveWave. Choosing the right trading platform can completely change how you analyze markets without wasting time on cluttered tools. Sierra Chart offers deep customization, while MotiveWave focuses on advanced strategy development. Sierra Chart and MotiveWave are both powerful trading platforms, but their core difference lies in approach. Sierra Chart prioritizes fast, flexible charting and data handling, while MotiveWave emphasizes comprehensive strategy creation and multi-asset support for traders. Sierra Chart is a professional trading platform designed for real-time charting, market data, and trade simulation. It supports a wide variety of data feeds and brokers, offering extensive customization through its advanced scripting language. The platform excels in speed and reliability, making it ideal for active traders who need precise data and fast execution. Its charting tools cover everything from basic indicators to complex technical studies, and it supports automated trading through custom code. However, Sierra Chart's interface can feel overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features and learning curve. It is best suited for experienced traders or those willing to invest time mastering a highly configurable environment focused on futures, stocks, and forex markets. MotiveWave is a sophisticated trading platform built for advanced strategy development and multi-asset trading. It offers a user-friendly interface combined with powerful features such as strategy backtesting, optimization, and walk-forward analysis. MotiveWave supports stocks, futures, forex, and options, making it versatile for diverse traders. Its drag-and-drop strategy builder and comprehensive scripting language allow traders to design and test complex trading systems without heavy coding. While it provides robust data visualization and order execution tools, MotiveWave may require a high upfront investment and slightly more system resources. It is ideal for traders focused on system development, algorithmic trading, and those looking for an all-in-one platform that balances usability with professional-grade tools. Comparing Sierra Chart and MotiveWave reveals distinct strengths. Sierra Chart is unmatched in speed and data handling, making it perfect for traders who prioritize real-time market analysis and customization. MotiveWave stands out with its strategy-building capabilities and multi-asset support, ideal for traders focused on developing and testing automated systems. Sierra Chart's steep learning curve contrasts with MotiveWave's more intuitive design, so beginners may prefer MotiveWave. However, Sierra Chart's lower cost and extensive broker compatibility appeal to budget-conscious professionals. Trade-offs include Sierra Chart's less polished interface versus MotiveWave's higher resource demands. Choosing depends on whether you value raw speed and data depth or comprehensive strategy tools and ease of use. Choose Sierra Chart if you need fast, reliable charting with deep customization and real-time data for active trading across multiple markets. Opt for MotiveWave if your focus is on building, testing, and optimizing trading strategies with a user-friendly platform that supports multiple asset classes. Both platforms excel in different areas, so pick the one that aligns best with your trading style and goals.